viewers, welcome to my maths class. So today I am going to explain how to find the area of the triangle by using different formulas. So different formulas for different triangles. So how to find the area of the triangle and by using some different formulas I will explain in this video. Okay, how it will be. So now observe this clearly, carefully. Area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle. First of all, what is the triangle definition? A figure which is bounded by a closed figure which is bounded by the three line segments, that is called as triangle, we know that. And classification of triangles are also, we know that so many are there, basically according to the sides, according to the angles. So we have some various type of triangles. So here equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, these three are the according to the sides, and acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle, and so these are the based on the angles. Okay. So now first, however, the given triangle, how to find the area of the such a triangle. So here how many formulas are there and how can we solve them? Okay, I will explain this clearly. Okay, area of a triangle. First, area of first equilateral triangle you can take. So area of triangle. What is the first one? Area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle. So this is, so equilateral triangle means what? So if all the sides lengths are equal in a triangle, then it is called as equilateral triangle. So suppose for example, so take this equilateral triangle, all the lengths of a triangle ABC are same, all are equal. This is suppose A, and it is suppose A, and it is suppose A. So three sides lengths are same. In this case, how can we find the area of an equilateral triangle? So for this we have the formula, that is area A is equals to area capital A is equals to, we can write or we can use the formula root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 A square. Okay. So area of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 A square. So this is the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, now see that one example problem, how can we find the area of the equilateral triangle? Okay, so example problem, what is that? Suppose for example, so find the area of the triangle. So find the area of the triangle. Find the area of triangle ABC where AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to 3 centimeter. Suppose AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to 3 centimeter. So this is nothing but what? Equilateral triangle only. So how can we solve this area? So by using that formula, so area is equals to, so root 3 by 4 A square. Why? Because all sides lengths are equal. Then the given triangle is belongs to equilateral triangle. We can write it as what? Length of the side, each side is what? 3 centimeter. Here you can apply at A plus 3, then root 3 by 4 A square. A square is nothing but 3 square. So then what you can write? So root 3 by 4 into, this is 3 square means nothing but 9. So finally this can be written as 9 root 3 by 4 centimeter square or any other units squares. Okay. So this is the method to find the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay. Right. Area of equilateral triangle formula is what? Area is equals to root 3 by 4 A square. This is the most important formula. Right. Now see that second one, area of an isosceles triangle. After equilateral triangle, what is that? Next one, isosceles triangle. Okay. Okay. Now see the second one, area of an isosceles triangle. So here area of isosceles triangle. First draw the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? if the two sides of any two sides of a triangle are equal, then that is called as isosceles triangle, right? Okay, see here, area of isosceles triangle, that is directly b by 4 under root 4a square minus b square. This is the formula to find the area of the isosceles triangle. So how it will be? A both two sides are equal, and b, this is the third side is not equal. So then find the area of triangle ABC, where AB is equals to AC, AB is equals to AC 3 centimeter and BC is equals to 4 centimeter. Then by applying that formula, we can write directly area is equals to B. What is the B here? B means what? 4 base. 4 by 4 under root. So 4a square. What is the a value here? 3 centimeter. 4 into 3 square minus b square. What is the b? What is the b here? 4 square. So by simplifying this, we will get 4 will get cancelled. 1 into under root. So 4 of 3 square means nothing but 9 minus, so 4 square means 16. So 1 into means no need to write 1, negligible. 4 9s are 36 minus 16, that is what? Under root 36 minus 16 what? 20. Under root 20 we can write it as what? 2 root 5 also. 2 root 5 units are centimeter square if the centimeters given. So this is the method how to find the area of the isosceles triangle. The formula is what? Area of isosceles triangle is equals to b by 4 under root 4a square minus b square. What is b here? Different side, and what are those a? Equal sides, right? So this is the second one. Now the final one is area of an scalene triangle. So this is the most important formula which we can apply for any triangle also. Okay, so now I will explain that what is the area of an scalene triangle. Okay. Okay, now see that what is the third one? Area of a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the sides are different in a triangle. All the sides lengths are different. In a triangle, any two sides are not equal. This is also one of the definition. So now to find the area of the scalene triangle, what is the formula we have? Area is equals to under root s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So what about s? Where s is the semi-perimeter of the given triangle. That is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2 means perimeter. A plus b plus c by 2 means perimeter, by 2 means semi-perimeter of the scalene triangle. So now this is the formula to find the area of the scalene triangle we can use. So now find the area of the triangle ABC if AB is equals to 3 centimeter, BC is equals to 4 centimeter and AC is equals to 5 centimeter is given. In this case, so if you observe each and every side is different, then our question is belongs to scalene triangle. Then you can apply the scalene triangle area formula. Okay. Now how it will be? Solution. So direct you can, first of all you have to find that s is equals to a plus b plus c means semi perimeter, sum of all its sides 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, that is what? 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 by 2, that is equals to 6, right? Now apply the area formula. Area is equals to under root s means what? 6 into s minus a, 6 minus 3 and again 6 minus 4 and again 6 minus 5. So this is the formula, and next simplify that, what you will get? 6 into 6 minus 3 3, 6 minus 4 2, 6 minus 5 1. Finally what you can write? So 6 3 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 1 ja 36. So root of 36 value again we know that 6 centimeter square. This is the area of the scalene triangle. So very easy how to find that. Depending on the given triangle we can apply the formula. So if the given triangle has the equilateral triangle, then you can root 3 by 4 a square you can apply. If the given triangle is isosceles triangle, then you can use the one more formula. So that is b by 4 under root 4 b square minus a square. And here the given triangle is a scalene triangle, then you can apply that under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. And we know that here one of the most important thing, this formula was introduced by Heron. So who is that? Heron. So that's why this is called as Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So this is the most important thing you have to know. So Heron's formula. Okay. So what is the Heron's formula? Under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equals to semi-perimeter of the given triangle. Okay. So now we can see that, so in other cases, if the right angled triangle is given, how can you find the area of the triangle? Okay. Now I will explain that fourth one. Okay. Okay. Now see the fourth one, area of a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, it is the most easy and very important. In so many problems we will get such type of right angle triangles. Okay. So here area of the right angle triangle formula is what? Area is equals to half into, means 1 by 2 into base into height. So here area is equals to half into base into height. Base means B, height means H. If you can take, this is a right angle triangle and it is called as hypotenuse. This is what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And so this is height and it is a 90 degrees, right? So okay, now take that one example problem. Find the area of triangle ABC if AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter is given. So now in this case very easy, we can apply that. So find the area of triangle ABC. If AB is equal to 4 centimeter, means here base, height, and BC is equal to 5 centimeter. This is BC is equal to 5 centimeter. So now area is equals to half into base. What is the base? BC 5 centimeter into what is the height? 4 centimeter. So then you can 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 5 2 ja, 10 centimeter square. So this is the area of the given right angle triangle. Area of the given right angle triangle. Okay. So these are the most important things we have to find. How to find the area of the triangle. Okay. Right. So now see some various different model problem, how to find the area of the triangle in coordinate system. Okay, I will explain how to find the area of the triangle in coordinate system. Okay. Okay, now see the most important concept, how to find the area of the triangle in coordinate system. So here coordinate system means x axis, y axis, coordinate plane. If you will consider and you will get some order pairs, by using those order pairs you will get a triangle, and to find the area of the such triangle we can use some formulas. So what are those formulas? I am going to write here, so try to understand. Okay. Okay, now see that if A x1 y1 is the one of the vertices and B x2 y2 is the one of the vertices, C x3 y3 is also one of the vertices of the any triangle. These three are vertices of any triangle ABC. Then the area of a triangle is, by using these formulas we will get in the coordinate system. What it is? So area is equals to of mod, this is called as mod x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So R of mod x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, or area of mod x1, x2, x3, x1, y1, y2, y3, y1. So R, when if that one of the vertices is origin given, then in that case you can use the shortcut method, area is equal to half x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So these are four formulas, 1, 2, 3, 4 formulas are useful to find the area of the triangle. Okay. So now I will explain one example problem, how to find the area of the triangle in this coordinate system by using these formulas. Okay. Okay, now take one example problem. If A 1 comma minus 1 is the one of the vertices, B minus 4 comma 6, C minus 3 comma minus 5 are 3 vertices of a triangle ABC, then find area. So here the solution for this, so we have to use the formula area A is equals to half mod x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So by using this formula you will get the area of the triangle. So how? See here A is the first one, this is x1 and y1, and it is x2, and y2 consider, and you see x3 y3. So now apply the values of those x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. x1 is what? 1 of y2, y2 is there what? 6 minus y3, y3 is equals to minus of minus 5. So minus 5. So this is the first one completed, plus x2. What is x2? Minus 4, minus 4 of y3. y3 is equals to what? Minus 5, minus y1 is what? Minus of minus 1. So this is the formula. And the next x3 is equals to minus 3, and the next y1. What is the y1? Minus 1, minus y2. What is the y2? 6. So now we can apply all the values here. What you will get? Of mod. So right. So 6 minus of minus plus. So minus into minus plus. So plus 5. 6 plus 5 11. 1 into 11. Now minus of minus plus. So minus 5 plus 1. How much? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus into minus plus again. 4 into 4 16. Say sir. See here, minus into minus plus 1. This is minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16. And the next minus 1 minus 6 how much? Minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 3 plus 21. 7 3 is 21. So here of mod 1 11 is 11 plus 16 plus 21. 16 plus 21. So finally what you will get answer? So 1 6 7 1 8 2 3 4 48 of mod 48. So here remove the mod. Why? Because modulation means it if any number, any value if you can consider lies between the modulation, then it will be always as a positive value, because the distance or the length or the areas are not in a negative form. So that's why you can consider 1 by 2 into 48. So 2 1s are 2 24s, that is equals to 24 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. So by using this formula, okay. So to remember this formula, you have to cyclic, keep in your mind cyclic order. So what is the cyclic order here? 1, 2 and 3. So if you start with 1, then continuation 2, 3. If you start with 2, then you can get continuation 3 and 1. If you start with 3, then you can get 1 and 2. See, observe, if you start with 1, continuation 2, 3, y terms. If you start with 2, then continuation 3 and 1, cyclic. So if you start with 3, then y1 and minus y2. So to remember, this is the most useful logic to how to remember this area of the triangle. Okay, so you can apply that same problem in another method, another formula I said, right? How it will be, I will explain. Okay. Okay. Now see the same problem solved by the another formula. So how to find the area of the triangle? So of mod x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3. So apply that x1 and x2, x2, x3, y1, y2, y2, y3 values. So now here by simplification 1, minus into minus plus 4, minus 4, minus into minus plus 3, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, 6 of minus 5, minus into minus plus 5. So here of, so 1 plus 4 5, and minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, minus 7 as it is, 6 plus 5 11. So now here you have to remember that step. So multiply the cross multiplication, you can take the cross multiplication 5 into 11 55, and obviously you will get that minus formula. So here minus into minus plus 7 1 just 7. Okay, so this is the most important thing you have to remember. So of mod 55 minus 7 is how much? 48. Obviously it is a positive number, remove the modulations. So 2 1 2 24 24 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. However, in previous case formula also we can get the same 24 centimeter square. Okay, so finally area of the triangle in various cases today we discussed, right. So here it is most helpful to find that area of the triangle in various different methods. So it is most useful. So those who are preparing for the competitive exams, or then those who are studying that 10th and above 10th class students. So this is helpful to you. Okay, I hope you understand, right. Please subscribe our channel. So and if you like this video, and you can share it. So thank you very much.